Get your US, British, euros, and your local bank accounts for free. If you are living in Nigeria, you are living in other country, but you need a USA bank account and you are going through a lot to get the USA bank accounts because you are not in their residential country. Make sure you watch this video to the very end, because in this video, I will show you how you can get a USA bank account, a British bank account, and Euro bank account. So with your local bank account, if you are in Nigeria, you are getting a free Nigeria bank account. If you are in Uganda, you are getting a Uganda bank account. Everything for free. Make sure you smash on that like button, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends. You must have watched my previous video on how to create a PayPal account, how to link your bank account to your PayPal account, and you need a US bank account to withdraw your money from your PayPal account. And that is why I am making this video on how to get a USA bank account, a British bank account, and a Euro bank account, plus your local bank accounts for free with just your national identification number. If you are meeting me for the first time, welcome back to my channel. I am Adekunle Adiola. On this channel, I talked about how to make money online, how to start and grow your business from scratch to a monetization point. And if that is what you are looking for, smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below. Do well to share with your family and friends that wish to create a USA bank account, British bank account, and Euro bank account. Get $10 for opening account with my promo code. If you use my promo code for opening your account, you are going to get $10 for using my promo code. So check the description box where you get my promo code to open your account for free. Without much stories, let's go straight into my screen.
Go to your browser, type grey.co, then this is the website, the first website right here. Click on it, wait for it to load. When you get to the website, they will ask you if you want to sign in or you want to register. Scroll down and see create an account, then click on create an account. Choose your language, continue in English. Choose your residential country, Nigeria. Click on Nigeria. Please kindly note this: the documents you can use for verification depend only on your selected country of residence. Please double check your choice. So if you are selecting any country, make sure you have the documents to verify that you are a bona fide of that country. So click on continue, click on proceed with Nigeria. Then you want to input your email address. Here is where you will sign up step by step. Your first name as it appear on your ID card. I'll fill in this information behind the camera. If you want to input your phone number, make sure you put an active phone number because they will send you a verification code. And for the referral, I'll put my referral link in the description box so that you can choose my referral code in description box. Thank you. Select your gender, then input your email address. Input your phone number. In this referral part, I'll put my referral code in description box. You can input it in your own. Enter your password. Make sure you use the password you will remember. After you input your password and everything is correct, they will mark everything and it will be showing green right here. Then click on agree and accept to terms and conditions. Then click on continue. A verification code will be sent to you. This is it right here on our screen. So let's open the email and bring out our verification code. The verification code is 109129. Then verify your accounts. You can see that the one sending me message that I am welcome to whatever. What do you want to use Grey for? A virtual card for online shopping, manage and track expenses, get a foreign account to receive payment. So know what you want to use this account for before you sign up. Create invoice to receive payment, send money abroad, save and hold my fund in foreign currency. So it depends on whatever you want to use it for. As for me, I want to use it to get a foreign account to receive payment. So click on get a foreign account to receive payment. You can choose as many things as possible. If you want to send money abroad too, you can choose it. Then click on submit. Now this is the important part. You have US dollar account, you have pounds account, you have euro account, and you have Nigeria account. You can create a virtual card which you can use to buy something online. You can create an invoice on this app. You can send money to 80 plus country instantly. The next thing you want to do is verify yourself, and this verification will require you to use your NIN if you are in Nigeria, and if you are not in Nigeria, use your national identification card in anywhere you are watching this video from. Let's begin with the verification. Click on begin ID verification, and right here you want to put your address, your country, state, city, postal code, date of birth, proof of address. I will fill in all this form now, and I will click on proceed. So you have 3 steps to verify who you are, so that they will give you your account number. You have 3 options to choose from. You have government issued documents, you have utility bills, and you have tax payment reports. You have rental/lease agreements, bank statements. Choose one out of all these. I'll be choosing government issued documents, which is the first one. You have to verify you have this particular document, then upload. Click on your photos to upload whatever documents you have, then continue. This part said you are almost done. This is the last part of your verification. Do you identify as politically exposed person? If you are, you can click on yes, and if you are not, you can click on no. Are you a family member and or a close associate of a political exposed person? If you are, say yes. If you are not, you can click on no, then click on continue. This part is the most important part. We require by law to verify your identification before you can begin making transactions on Grey. This requires you to upload a copy of a government issue ID such as international passport, national identification number, or driver's license, and click on begin identification. Your identity will be verified using a document issued by a country or authority. Click on get started. You have 2 things to do in this verification step. The first thing is ID verification, and the second one is selfie check. Click on I am ready. You already choose your residential country. Which of this ID card do you have? Driver's license, voter's card, passport, or NIN? Enter your NIN number and click on next. After you input your NIN, this is the next step. They will ask you to put your face on camera, and you have to do the verification. It can come in 4 corners like this, or come in a circle like this. You can do it in daylight when you have your daylight, or put on your ring light if it is night, so that you can have enough lightning on your face, so that the verification will be so fast, because this is the most important part of the verification, and it is the most tedious part to get your account number, your US and other account number ready. So your face verification is so important. So make sure you use a good lightning. And thank you for watching this. Drop your comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. If you have gained value, let me know in the comment section, and subscribe. Oh, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
Welcome back. If you have watched how to create a US bank account and other bank accounts I have mentioned in this video, and you would like me to create another kind of video for you, maybe you want me to do a research on something, you want me to find something for you, you need me to create a video on anything, kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, smash on that subscribe button, like this video, subscribe please, help a sister, watch this video, share it with your friends. YouTube said we are lacking views, guys. Help a sister to share this video to your friends and family. Like it, share it, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.